Welcome to the Core Ross Tech channel where we check out tech and 3D printing, and today we're checking out a T7 controller from GameSir. And in this video we're checking out the white version which comes with orange accents. And it comes pretty well packaged in a very small box. You can see there we've got the cable on the top, then the controller, and then you have a little bit of documentation and a 1-month code for Game Pass Ultimate, but be noted the code only works on new accounts that don't have Game Pass. You've also got your manual there and warranty information. But yeah, let's check out the actual hardware itself. We'll start with the cable. So of course this is a wired controller, but it is a detachable cable. And as you can see, it is bright orange to go with the orange accents that are on this white controller. And overall, pretty good, very long cable, and of course USB Type-C to Type-A to plug into your PC or your console. Then we've got the controller itself, and it's well packaged in here with little thumbstick protectors. So this is excellent and looks really good. The orange is quite nice on the white, and you can see it's got a grey back to it. And this T7 controller does come in other colours. So you've got the white, you've got a transparent blue, and a transparent red. So you've got some quite nice colour varieties to choose from. Now let's do some sound tests on the buttons themselves. So nothing spectacular. This is a budget controller. Their more expensive controllers are far more clicky and a bit more satisfying. But for the price of this, you're talking 30 to 40 depending on your region for the price. And after using it for a week, it is a damn good controller at that price. I can't really beat it with anything else. And the build quality is excellent. And comparing this to an official Xbox controller from Microsoft, which is a touch more expensive, I would say this is really, really good. The only downside is the D-pad, which is definitely not as good as the official one, but everything else is up there with the same quality and very happy with it. And you also have the bonus here of the GameSir controller being able to be modified with software on your PC and save that profile to the controller so you can use it on your Xbox or whatever to play around with the dead zones and configure the buttons however you like. Now let's take a look at the USB cable. So this is another part that is definitely cheaper overall and helps to bring the price down. And it's a USB Type A to Type C, but it is a silicon kind of covered cable. So it feels like it's going to go off in a couple of years. GameSir's more expensive controllers have braided cables and they feel like they'll last a decade. These do not feel like they're going to last a decade. Now, certainly the great thing here is it's detachable, so you can just plug in another USB Type-C cable in the future and not have to worry about this thing going off or anything. But definitely, you're getting a much cheaper cable at this price point. And that leads us into the conclusion of this video, which is that this is a very good controller for the price. It does have its downfalls. It is not perfect, but you can go for a more expensive controller from GameSir to kind of fix those issues. But I do think for the price, this thing is actually very, very good. So yeah, very, very happy with it. So let me know what you think of this in the comments below, and I'll catch you guys next time.